Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the MSVCP140.dll was not found error on your Windows PC. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ latest supported downloads page. Download both the x86, which is the 32-bit version, and the x64, which is the 64-bit version. After the downloads are complete, run each installer and follow the on-screen instructions until the installation finishes. When everything is installed, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. If the problem still remains, run the System File Checker. Type CMD in the Windows search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. After that, restart your PC and try running the program again. Thanks for watching.